What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video, and it's going to be a very small little box right here, but we got it going on. We got a sleep machine, sound machine. If you guys are sensitive sleepers, if you have neighbors that are loud, or if you have roommates that are loud, we also call this a white noise machine. What it is it acts like the sound of a fan. It has like some ocean noises, all sorts of stuff. We're gonna get into it, and I really like this. Actually, I was having some friends stay with me recently, and this definitely helped not to hear kitchen noise in the morning, cooking breakfast, etc. This definitely helps out. If you've never used one before and you always wake up because of roommates, etc., definitely look into this. Like all my videos, in the description box below, we'll have this direct link so you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself in the description box below. Let's get on in. So right here we got the sound machine. According to obviously my hand, it's a very small sound machine, which is really cool. Comes with a little flappy little stand there, as we can see. Very, very nice. Again, very small. In regards to a normal iPhone 6 normal 4.7-inch screen, that is the size equivalent to it. Overall, very nice, guys. We have the speaker here, and then of course our control buttons here, our volume knob right over here, right there. And again, we have, what's really cool is that you can turn it on for 15 minutes, turns off, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or constantly. And so I like to go ahead and push it one time for constantly, twice for 15 minutes, it'll shut off, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and then one more push and it is off. We have some different noises we'll get to in just a second. Let's go ahead and look at the back real quick. And what's awesome about this, it has a USB plug in the back where you can charge your phone right there if you have this on your nightstand, etc., which is really cool. So the plug goes in right there, that folds out. The plug is over here. That's about a solid, maybe 4-foot plug tip to tip, which is obviously really cool as well. Just go ahead and plug on in. Sets it up just like that. So let's go ahead and listen into the white noise. This first button is the white noise. It has 2 settings, so we'll hit it one time. I'll turn that up a little bit here so you guys can hear it. Hit it one more time for the next white noise. I kind of like that one better. Now we have fan. Fan 2. Ocean. Ocean 2. We have outdoor, like rainstorm. And rainstorm 2, which doesn't have the thunder. So if you're looking for a nice drizzle sound without the thunder, this would be your choice right here. And I'll explain why that's really cool in a second. And then lastly, we have nighttime scene. And our next one would be summertime. And that is it for the sounds there. It's actually a really cool sound machine, and what was trippy was that when the first night I ever used it, I had it on the rainstorm with the thunder, and I woke up a couple times in the middle of the night thinking it was raining outside because I was used to kind of the more fan noise. I actually then started using the first fan one and was out like a light, not to mention when I did have friends spend the night, my bedroom is right next to the kitchen, and I didn't hear anything in regards to them cooking eggs or breakfast in the morning, which was awesome. Slept right through it, folks. So guys, overall, really cool sound machine, white noise machine, whatever you do want to call it. I highly recommend it. It definitely helps out a lot, especially the last time my in-laws were in town. I used to sleep in a little bit later, etc. Trust me, if you've never used one, try it if you're having trouble sleeping in and always being disturbed upon roommates, neighbors, spouses. You guys get the idea. Again, in the description box below will be this same exact sound machine. I'll have you guys linked up as well in the UK if they sell it in the UK, and I'll try for India as well, but of course the US, you will be linked down below. You guys have an awesome day. Take care. I'll see you on the next review. My name's Chris. Bye-bye.